Well, a lot of you know that I've been collecting toy tractors for over 40 years, close to 50 now. And some of them I kept when I was a kid, and I've still got them, and I just keep adding. And there's something to look at when the snow's flying and you can't do anything else, or even today when it's too hot to be outside. So I'm going to show you the model I got the last show I went to, that was 3 months ago. Got this down at the Auburn show, and it's a model of a potato digger. And this is a 4-row model, and it's actually built up in Vestaburg, Michigan. But this was made for a expo that happens in Wisconsin, in Portage County, Wisconsin. And the show was in 2014. So this is a pretty wide, this is a 42nd scale, so the thing on the road is pretty wide. I've had to meet them before, and you find out what's in the ditch because you got to get over. And they also make a 6-row model. This is 4-row, and they make a 6-row model also. But it digs the potatoes, cleans the dirt off, and runs them around, and eventually runs them into a truck that's long beside. But it's got some John Deere things on it. The cab and the engine, I think, are John Deere. It's kind of a unique piece, but I saw this down at Auburn when I went to that show like 3 months ago, and I said, I got to have one of those. So this was kind of a neat little bugger. And most people have seen them when they go past, but they don't see exactly what they're like. So this is a very detailed model of it. So if you like potatoes, this is where they come from.